Hi friends, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video I'm going to talk about the touch sampling rate test on the Realme GT Neo 2 after the recent software update. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the software update, which is a October security patch update, and this is the first update which I did get in the Realme GT Neo 2, and I did get plenty of comments asking me to make a video on few things. For example, black color crush issue and the touch sampling rate thing. These two got improved or not after the software update. The main reason is because if you try to look at the update log, you will be able to see something related to the touch firmware update. Let me try to exactly demonstrate what is happening. So this is the update which I did receive yesterday, and if you try to look at the touch panel, optimized touch firmware improved some control experience. This is the first statement which a lot of users, they did mention that can you please make a similar kind of video on the touch sampling rate, and can you test it whether is there any kind of improvement or not. That's the main reason why few of the users, they are actually interested. The main reason is because the phone has got the 600 Hz touch sampling rate. That's what the Realme website, and if you try to look at everything, they'll try to claim as against 600 Hz. There's nothing written like instant touch sampling rate or peak touch sampling rate. Nothing it's written. It's straightforward written like the phone has got 600 Hz touch sampling rate. If you try to look at the brightness section, in the brightness they clearly mention peak brightness. So you do get that kind of maximum brightness. Similarly, they should have written something like peak touch sampling rate or instant touch sampling rate, or maybe condition touch sampling rate, something like that. They should put that. They did not keep anything. So we should be assuming that like phone has got 600 Hz touch sampling. That not only me, even few of the users, they thought like that. But let's see what is happening. Reality is something different, which we are getting experience. I'll try to explain a couple of things why I did mention all these things. And one quick note, so we are not asking for higher touch sampling rate in the smartphones, but what we are looking after is whatever the company is claiming, at least we should be able to get those kind of values. That's what my point is. So it may make a little bit kind of difference, but still it's not a big deal, I would say. It's not a big, I'm not trying to make it a big issue. I'm just trying to mention that whatever the company is exactly claiming, we should get at least close to that kind of value, but it's not actually happening in the real time. I'll try to explain this kind of application which I'm trying to use. Still we are getting only 300 Hz touch sampling rate. 300 Hz touch sampling rate is not bad, so it's really good. So anything above 240 Hz touch sampling rate, it's kind of really, I think 240 Hz should be the basic thing nowadays in the 2021 if you plan to buy a phone. So 300 is kind of really close to that figure, not bad. But whatever the company claiming 600 Hz touch sampling rate, we cannot get that. Doesn't matter what setting you use. I'll try to explain you. So using GT mode, you may think, try to use a GT mode, it will work. It will not work. So it will still remain same kind of value. You may think we are seeing 420 and 415 somewhere in that. Why are saying 300 Hz? So whatever the number you are getting here, you need to do the minus with the refresh rate, which is 300 Hz. You will get the final result. So you may think in the Realme live stream announcement, they did announce that it is a peak touch sampling rate, but there is no information regarding that kind of peak touch sampling rate. Nothing has been written. If you try to look at the display specifications, everything is perfect, fine, no issues. But there is nothing written about the touch sampling rate. I mean peak touch sampling rate or instant touch sampling rate. If you try to look at the screenshot which are taken from the live stream of the Realme GT Neo 2 launch, is another screenshot which are taken from the launch event. You will be able to see touch sampling rate. They did mention directly as 600 Hz touch sampling rate, but brightness they did mention peak brightness. So there is a lot of difference friends writing instant touch sampling rate and peak touch sampling rate. They did not write anything. They did not specify anything at all. This is one thing which I don't like companies doing this kind of. Really good companies, they should not promote in this kind of way. I would definitely say they should have mentioned some kind of thing. So not only me friends, a lot of users that did felt like that regarding the touch sampling rate, that they will be really disappointed, because I was expecting the higher touch sampling rate. For example, in the Moto H20, which I do have right now, which has got 576 Hz touch sampling rate, but default I'm getting 450 Hz touch sampling rate. That's some kind of something close at least, not problem. But this one with the 300 Hz touch sampling rate, slightly disappointed. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review and my thoughts about the Realme GT Neo 2. I don't think this touch sampling rate will be fixed. I don't think. Yes. So finally, maybe 5% chance I can definitely say maybe that might get fixed, but I cannot guarantee at all on this particular topic. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Doesn't matter even if you add this application into the gain space, and if you do it, it won't increase. So I tried everything friends, I tried all the possibilities, it cannot happen. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.